Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. When Liquibox revolutionized liquid packaging over 50 years ago, little did they know they would continue the trend into the next millennium. Liquibox is a global company that makes innovative, flexible liquid packaging and dispensing systems. Those systems include a variety of films and fitments for use in pouch and bag and box packaging. Liquibox also manufactures the filling equipment to deliver a complete packaging solution. All work with a wide range of beverage, food, and non-food products and applications. But what puts Liquibox ahead of the pack isn't just the products themselves, it's the science and know-how that goes into their products before they are ever shipped to the customer. Each step of production is done in-house. Prototypes are designed using 3D modeling. Real-life functional testing in a state-of-the-art lab assures each design is optimized for durability, convenience, and performance. Liquibox's customized turnkey solutions fit into virtually any production line. Their expertise in aseptic and dairy processes assures that sterilized products stay sterilized. A variety of fillers are configured for optimal production rates. Bag and box technology handles from 1 gallon up to 370 gallons. A variety of films structures deliver protection from harmful elements that could damage the packaged products. Flip and Seal, Flex FX, and Liquisure are other proprietary designs which protect and preserve. With manufacturing on 3 continents, which serves over 80 countries, Liquibox has value and performance in the bag. For more details, visit their website at liquibox.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.